Ready for non-stop DBSO action? Click join to become a member and watch hours of unreleased episodes right now.
Make you get your satisfaction with Mayo.
Whoopsies. Don't you want to?
You like that?
Want more DBSO? Turn your notifications on so you don't miss a premiere and your chance at a free membership. Catch the other side of the action for free on Patty Mayo.
You're gonna hurt. You're gonna hurt. Stay on the ground. Here you go. We just want to talk to you, bro. Talk to you, bro. What's up, guys? I'm Patty Mayo. Welcome to the hunt. Right now, we are on our way to back up Harvey and Christian, our bondsmen. I guess they're having problems with a defendant that won't comply. All right, so we'll use that for the intro, like after we get the call from them, and we'll just kind of hang out down here for a few minutes.
Can't see you.
I don't know. Four 2424. Four 2424. 2424. I thought we'd be a little bit late behind this, but Christian just got out of the car, so we'll hang right here.
Copy that. 469 walking through the door.
Copy. We arrived a little early. I was planning on being here, like in the area, like 10 minutes after they had been here. That would indicate they would need our help, and then I could just bounce somewhere else. But we drove by, and Harvey drove by me. But I'm still not getting out of the car.
Sheriff's office. Sheriff's office. Open the door. I got your bail bondsman right here with me too. They need to speak to you. You know exactly what we're here for, so we need you to open the door.
Here, just like you don't want me to be here. Just open the door. You know why we're here. Just open the door. You know why I'm here. Open the door. We're not gonna play these runaround games anymore.
Front door made contact with a woman, was not opening the door for us. Is gonna be in a few minutes. I'm 100% sure. If not, I'll call for backup.
Just open the door. You know why we're here. You know why we're here. You know why we're here. Open the door.
We're speaking.
On yourself.
Can you translate that for me?
Chastity, I need you to open the door for me.
You know who we're here for.
I need you to open the door.
I'm not. Why?
I need you to open the door.
But why?
I'm here on official business, ma'am. I need you to open the door. You already know while we're here, you are Chastity.
Okay.
We know who you are.
And I told you that he's not here.
We have papers on you as well. Open the door.
I'm here for you as well. We're here to talk to you as well. We are. We're trying to. We are.
You know why we're here.
Because
open the door. We have papers on you as well. Open the door.
You don't have no warrant for me.
Open the door.
That's not happening.
Open.
That's not happening.
Let me see
Show
that.
me what you got that belongs to me. For me. For me. What
Look.
did I do?
We're gonna end up revoking the bond. We're gonna end up revoking Maurice's bond. We're revoking a bond on you as well. You have a $5,000 warrant on your
Yeah,
arrest.
so come on.
You make it easy.
Well, what did I do?
You make it
I just
easy.
wanted to get out of jail. Why
Ma'am,
did you take me to jail for?
ma'am, you make it easy and I can get you out in a few hours?
That ain't happening. That's not. Okay, you want
You're just making the situation worse
she's
on
letting me know that
yourself.
she's not coming out.
You're just making
So
the
we need
situation
you,
worse on
if you
yourself.
can.
Talk to me right here.
I am talking to you, just making the situation worse
Talk
on
to me
yourself.
right
Just
here. I'm
open
not
the door.
coming out, okay?
Open the door.
That's not happening.
Open the
That's
door.
not happening.
Open
That's
the door.
not happening.
It's just making it
It's
worse
not
on yourself,
happening.
sis.
It's not happening.
You're making it worse on yourself, sis. Either open the door or we're gonna come in. Either open the door or we're
Open
gonna
the
come
door.
in. Either open the door or we're gonna come in. You choose. You choose. Either open the door or we're gonna come in.
You bad, come in then.
Ain't nobody bad. I know I'm bad. Open the door or we're gonna come in. You
No,
choose.
I got backup.
Open the door or we're gonna come in. Open the door or we're going to come in. You're wasting my time like I'm wasting your time.
424,
Open the
420.
door or we're gonna come
Requesting
in.
backup, please.
Period. Period. You don't want to know the and what, sis. You don't want to know the and what with me. You don't want to know the and what with
The
me.
window open, come in.
Oh really? Oh really?
Really?
Oh really? I got a surprise for you. We got a surprise for you. You want to play games? You want to play games? You want to play games? I got a surprise for you. I got a surprise for you. You ain't got to be scared. You ain't got to be scared. And I ain't asked you to be scared. Just know I got something for you. Just know I got something for you.
I ain't coming.
You ain't got to come. We'll come in.
We're not even opening the door at this point.
No.
She keeps opening and closing. I almost got my hand.
Also, laundry room,
Come on. Open the door.
couple windows.
Why not? You're afraid of the dog now? Now you know it's a serious situation,
Yeah.
correct? We got the corporal here now.
Make it easier on yourself.
Now we got a corporal here on state. So now it just got even worse for you.
Make it easier
So
on
now,
Are those hurricane windows or regular windows?
I think those are hurricane from the thickness of it. But we're in the hood. It could just be normal.
What's the reason that y'all come in here? I bought my son.
You gotta tell me in the last 5 minutes they haven't told you?
Don't try me.
I don't think she locked it, Harvey.
No, it's like a cracked axe window. So when I try to open it, it doesn't allow me to. It doesn't matter if she's pushing it on or not.
Copy. Yeah, she.
Open it again.
Hey, get out of the way, cause he's getting excited about her. Let me check. Life. Yeah, that's hurricane. Life.
Get in. Let me see you get in.
You got it?
Well, now you're not gonna close this door. Now she's not gonna close this door.
I got two hands there. Back up from the door. Back up from the door.
Back up from
Back
the
up from. Watch your hands. Back up from the door. Back up from the door. Back up from the window. Back up from the window.
You're gonna hurt my dog. You're gonna hurt my dog. You're gonna hurt my dog.
Up.
Oh, you gonna shoot me?
You better get on the fucking ground.
Get away from me.
Get on the fucking ground.
Get away.
I mean, get rid of that curtain. Swagger!
I told you.
Off! Swagger! Let me see your fucking hands! Off! He's gonna come right through. Open the window all the way.
I can't. They have a stick on it.
You can't open it all the way.
I'm too big for it.
That's hurricane window.
You gotta turn my shit.
Hold on. You can't reach the.
I could probably push this through. Fuck her window up.
Huh?
The slide, she put a stick on it.
Back up. We'll get out of the way, Harvey. Okay, you can get through that. Up.
No, you can't get in.
Oh yeah, he is.
We have a woman.
I would get on the ground. He's gonna jump right up
A
there.
little difficult. Cobal's inside.
Off! Life!
Now what I need to do? I'm out of nothing to do.
You need to get on the ground.
Why me?
Cause I told you to. Cause you're the thing stopped me from getting in this house.
I will open the door, but I'm not gonna get shot.
Then get on the
You
ground.
gonna shoot me?
No, not if you get on the ground.
Why am I gonna get on the
3. I'm gonna start shooting.
Make it
You
easier
want
on
me to let
yourself.
you in?
What?
You want me to let you in or not?
Yeah, get over here.
Well, put the gun away.
I'm not putting it away.
Gun away.
I'm not putting away.
I'm not doing
Is it open? Copy. Life! Harvey, grab him. Or take the stick off so we can open it.
Cobos, come here. Cobos, come here.
Life! Off! Hold this.
Fucking touch us. Or come at us anyway. We'll fuck you up. You're already fucked as it is.
I didn't do shit.
Come over here and get on the ground.
Over.
Don't touch me.
Put the bottle.
Oh, that's definitely not what you want to do. Off! Cobos, off!
I will catch that bottle.
Cobos,
and I will
off!
let it shut off.
Okay, so what do I have to do?
Get on the ground.
Okay.
On the ground.
On the ground? Can I just sit down? Cause I'm not getting on the ground. I'm gonna leave. I was
What,
gonna
like it?
leave. And I don't want to get dirty. Please don't bring that dog near me. I'm afraid of
Watch
dogs.
my back.
Please, I'm afraid of dogs.
Then you need to get on the
I'm
ground.
gonna sit down. I just
Get on the ground.
Okay.
Lay on the ground right there. Lay on the ground. Lay on the ground.
Sir.
Cobos,
Sir.
lay on the ground.
I don't want to lay on the ground.
Loud. Lay on the ground. Lay on the ground. Center. Off.
Can I?
Get on the ground right now. I'm gonna shoot
Stop
you.
negotiating.
Get on the ground. I'm gonna shoot you.
Stop negotiating.
Sir.
Get on the ground.
You're in no room to negotiate. Get on the ground.
And what's going to happen to me? Take me. You ready to go?
You're gonna get shot. You're gonna get shot. He's about to shoot you.
Are you gonna take me?
We're gonna take you from behind.
Okay, take me.
Turn around.
Here.
Don't shoot me.
Here. If she's gonna let you cover, don't step that close to my dog. He will bite you.
He will fuck you up. That dog is not gonna fuck around. You fucking do some shit, he's gonna let the dog go. Give me your hands.
Now where is he?
Now, why you doing that? Why the fuck you doing?
Where is
Come
he?
here.
Why who?
Where is he?
Come
Wait,
here.
who?
You know who?
Wait, who at?
Where is he?
Wait, who at?
Where is he?
Why you doing this to me?
Where
I
is
don't
he?
know who at.
Can you stop it? Go.
Off. 420. As a 424.
Yes, sir.
You want to come meet me in the front? Grab my shotgun.
Copy that. You have open back windows back here just to make sure you're covered.
Copy.
2-3 corner on the 2 side, large window. It's already cracked open a little bit.
Copy. Advise Harvey and get lockers on. There's a bulge right there.
I'm off the truck.
Soup. Fui. Los. Off.
420, please unlock your truck.
Four-legging. Coming. Off. Maybe a rifle. You think burn a shotgun or burn a rifle?
I can run one of each.
Tell Harvey. Harvey got that girl girl, whatever, in the car, right? Tell him to take the lockers and start locking these windows. Four-legging. Off. Life. We're gonna let his scent permeate a little bit. I don't know if I hit her or not. Shot 5 times, but the curtains were all in the way.
You would overwatch with this?
Yeah, so where is Harvey? Is he doing the locks and
Backside
windows?
locking doors.
Okay, so I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna go in first. You overview.
Okay.
I'll go in first. See if I can get a hit on a door.
Okay.
And then we can start from there.
I'm moving in the back window.
Which window?
It's gonna be this, the corner here on the tube.
2-3 corner. Big window that I saw.
Here. Go ahead. I'll put him back in the truck. Leave the keys. You put
I just
that
went
away?
ahead and I put a stopper on the
You done
window.
with
The window
that?
was
Yeah,
unlocked.
No, this is.
Good luck trying to open that shit.
Copy.
He was afraid. I'm literally making eye contact with this guy right now. He's right here. There's only one window. Yeah. There's a door here. I'm gonna go and press against the door.
Looks like that room right there.
Copy that.
You didn't invite me to the barbecue.
All right, so we got this room right here.
I think it's that.
What?
That.
I think it's this.
Possibly that door, yeah. This door goes outside, I believe. Nope.
Did you lock the truck? Did you lock the truck? He said he's staring at us. Huh? Just see your fucking hands!
It's barricaded. It's barricaded to here with a dresser.
You see that?
We can take the second half of the door off if
You
you
can
want.
rip a hole.
Here,
Yeah,
just watch it.
Oh, you're gonna. Oh!
Want me to get rid of the door?
Huh?
Get rid of the door?
Yeah, back up to me. Back up to me. We just want to talk to you, bro. I think the shotgun's appropriate.
You want it?
Yeah. Let me back up.
Hold tight.
We're just gonna talk to you, bro. Listen. You seem amped up. Okay, you got any weapons? Because I need to put my weapons down if you don't have any, you know what I mean? I want to come to your level. I want to come to your level.
Hot and good.
Can we get me in this window?
Yeah, we definitely have a warrant for you.
Can you light on the door?
You got a warrant.
Huh?
You definitely have a warrant, sir. And your bond is definitely revoked. Then why are you barricaded in a room? You hear that?
You hear the rubber coming? Oh, it's not an air mattress.
No, it's a regular mattress. Take this dude.
Huh?
Just take him. Pull that mattress. I'll put him on his head. He's right behind you.
Harvey, come over to me. Harvey, get to me.
What?
You want to go secure weapons then?
Hold. Keep talking to him.
We could pepper it. I know. Pepper stuff. No. Wait for tea. What? No, we were going to fight him.
Is that a mattress?
It's a real mattress, yeah. I think I'm too close quarters for the burner shotgun.
Ready?
Oh, hold on. Let's go up to it.
Reese.
What you want, man?
Reese.
What you want?
You're making bad decisions, Reese.
I ain't making bad decisions. I ain't do nothing.
You're making a lot
That's
more.
the door outside.
Nothing out of something.
I can't even hear. I got the wrong person.
We pretty sure we don't.
Trust me, y'all got the wrong person. You ain't even see me, man.
I did see you. You were in the window.
You see my face. That's all you see.
Exactly. What do you think they take mugshots of? Your face.
Me.
Of your face.
No, that ain't me, man.
You're here talking about, oh my good soul, you don't see my soul or some shit. I don't know what the fuck you talking about. I saw your face. I verified it's you. It's you.
I'm gonna pull this into this bedroom.
My brother, it's gonna be worse now, bro. It's gonna be worse, man.
What do you mean it's gonna be worse?
This is getting worse and worse for you every second of the day, bro. God, dude. You like spicy food?
You like spicy food?
You like spicy food?
You like spicy food?
Yeah, bro, I hate spicy food and it's about to get spicy as shit tonight. Okay, so you ready?
Let me eat. Let me eat.
You got limited options, kid.
I hear you. I hear you, Mr. Cold Man. Mr. Cold Dog Man. I see you, good boy.
Huh?
Channel 1.
The hands?
Push. Oh, that's it? You're good? One punch?
You good?
One punch? Am I that strong, guys? Give me your f***ing wrist.
I thought I knocked him out.
Take yours.
Good.
Take your leg.
Cuffed.
Go lower. No, he's awake. He's strong.
He is. You know, bro.
Are we cuffed?
Yeah.
I think he may have passed out.
You all right?
Did you pass out?
Yeah. Did you take a little nap?
Did you pass out?
No.
Did you take a little nap?
No, man.
It's okay.
I just wanted to know if you passed out or gave up.
You pass out.
What?
You went to sleep. You went to bed.
It's okay. I had his hoodie around.
It's okay, Mimi's.
Hey, dude, I'm gonna be real with you.
Come here.
Don't know how we're gonna get you out of here.
We're gonna stand up.
He went to sleep. He went to sleep, but he's back up.
Here, there's Pat's.
You gonna walk like a gentleman?
No, probably not.
This and that.
It was fine.
Everything went fine. Poor Kobos is probably like, stop shocking me. The neighbors are like, what the hell's going on? My magazine from my burners.
That's my favorite move.
What? You good?
He's gonna try to run. Here. He's gonna try to run. I'm no way. Stop fidgeting around, bro. Stop trying to hold my hand. Why are you trying to hold my hand? Bro, I ain't your boyfriend, bro. Stop holding my hand. I know you said you like dudes. Hi, sweetie. How are ya? Welcome back. You had a lap of judgment there. Lap of judgment. This side. This side. What are you doing? You limboing?
There we go.
Here you go, princess. It's your
Hold on
queen.
in there.
The princess and the queen are together now.
Watch your feet.
We got your douchebags.
Is that it?
Where?
Over there in the corner? Yep, that's it. Right?
Will you grab it? I'll hold this up.
I think that's it, yep.
Yeah. Yeah, you.
We just had to find.
What are you looking for?
I had to find my burner mag.
22 is not you.
Is it you?
Nope, that's not. That's Harvey. This is Harvey.
Okay.
You got all your stuff?
You get everybody in custody?
Everyone's in custody. We're good to go.
All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. We used the burner shotgun rounds. We used
Did you fire some regular rounds?
right inert rounds or something. Oh yeah, no, I fired the hard rounds. I heard through the window to get her to back up. That's what got her to run. We used Cobos, a little bit of everything. I'm Patty Mayo. We'll see you on the next one.
Ready for non-stop DBSO action? Click join to become a member and watch hours of unreleased episodes right now.
Make you get your satisfaction with Mayo.
Whoopsies. Don't you want to, You like that?
Want more DBSO? Turn your notifications on so you don't miss a premiere and your chance at a free membership. Catch the other side of the action for free on Patty Mayo.